DOLA Custom Prescription Education. Finishing Part 2. Behind the design. Finishing Part 2. This section of the presentation will explore top covers, mid layers, and orthotic cover length options. Behind the design. Orthotic cover length. Orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable in orthotic design. It relates to the patient's footwear style and attributes, including whether there is a removable insole or not. Successful selection of your cover length can help with patient satisfaction and compliance with their orthotic therapy. Behind the design. Shell length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit footwear without a removable insole, where space would be an issue. The cover was selected for a shank-independent orthotic shell material to fit footwear without a removable insole. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear and allow transfer to multiple pairs of shoes. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the shell length option in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A shell length cover runs the length of a 3/4 shell. Its anterior edge ends just behind the metatarsals. It is recommended for shoes with, but most commonly without, a full-length removable insole. It also replaces part of the shoe insole space, is generally placed on top of a flat shoe insole, protects part of the plantar foot ending just behind the metatarsal heads, and takes up a reduced space in the shoe, therefore giving the maximum ability to change between shoes. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable in orthotic design. The successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance with their orthotic therapy. Footwear styles like the one pictured, without a removable insole, can be a challenge to fit and may benefit from low bulk designs including a shell length cover. Behind the design. Sulcus length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a range of casual footwear with different shapes and styles. The cover was to go on a shank-independent orthotic shell material for footwear both with and without a removable insole. The patient also required protection under the metatarsal heads. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear, allowing transfer between multiple pairs and protecting the PMA. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the sulcus length in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A sulcus length cover covers the orthotic to the sulcus length of the foot. It extends from the anterior edge of a 3/4 length shell under the metatarsal heads. It is generally used for shoes both with or without a full-length removable insole. It protects the plantar foot, including the PMA area, to the sulcus. It also protects forefoot modifications, including domes, met bars, and various forefoot extensions. It will replace part of the shoe insole space. It can be placed on top of a flat insole or replace an insole, and takes up a reduced space in the shoe. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable in orthotic design. The successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance. A sulcus length cover versus a shell length cover has the benefits of protecting the PMA area and allowing forefoot additions including metatarsal domes, metatarsal bars, EVA and pour-on forefoot extensions, forefoot varus extensions, forefoot valgus extensions, reverse Morton's extensions, short Morton's extensions, etc. to be protected. Behind the design. Full-length cover. This client needed a custom orthotic to replace a removable insole from a pair of Asics Keanu sport shoes. The orthotic was to be constructed from a shank-independent material. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the patient's choice of footwear and match the removable insole dimensions. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected full length in the top cover section of the finishing section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. A full-length cover goes beyond the length of the foot to the full length and shape of the footwear. In a 3/4 length shell, it will extend past the anterior edge to the full length and shape of the shoe. In a full-length EVA orthotic, it follows the length and shape of the orthotic to match the shoe. It is recommended for shoes with a removable insole. It will protect the entire plantar surface of the foot from heel to toes. It will also protect all modifications, including heel, midfoot, and forefoot modifications, including domes, met bars, and forefoot extensions. It will replace all of the shoe insole space. Orthotip. Orthotic length or orthotic cover length is a key prescription variable. Successful choice will allow the patient to wear the device in their favourite footwear, increasing the likelihood of patient compliance. A full-length cover has the benefits of protecting the entire foot and allows forefoot additions including met domes, met bars, EVA and pour-on forefoot extensions, forefoot varus extensions, forefoot valgus extensions, reverse Morton's extensions, long Morton's extensions, and toe fillers to be protected. Behind the design, top cover selection. The selection of your top cover is a vital orthotic prescription variable. It contributes to the professional appearance of your orthotic device, can be used to provide an attribute, for example cushioning, anti-shear, antimicrobial, or hard-wearing properties. It protects the orthotic shell material, while also protecting the cushioning layers and any pads. It can be used to increase the lifespan of the orthotic shell materials and replaces the length and width of any removable shoe insoles, while also protecting the foot from harm or damage. Behind the design, Durafit. Durafit is a popular, luxurious, premium quality microfiber. It is 100% breathable, with the appearance of genuine leather. It is 15 times more durable than leather and 2 times more tear resistant. It also has 2 times higher moisture permeability than leather. It is available in more than 17 colours. Options include a smooth top surface or a semi-perforated surface. It is available on all custom and prefabricated orthotics or in mini rolls. Behind the design, EVA and Lunasoft. These materials combine the perfect blend of cushioning, comfort, and performance. They are a lightweight, high-performance orthotic cover or midlayer. They are resilient and hard-wearing for sports and everyday use. They can be used to protect the device, additions, or a pour-on cushioning layer. Available in 2mm and 3mm thicknesses and an extensive range of colours, including swirls that are very popular with children. EVA and Lunasoft is available on all our custom orthotics or prefabricated orthotics or in sheets. Behind the design, Anti-shear. This specialty top cover is designed for the diabetic or at-risk foot. It is designed to reduce the effects of plantar tissue stress. It has super soft cushioning properties for shock absorption while also minimising shear forces. It is available in grey for under 100 kilo patients and beige for over 100 kilo patients. It is available on all of our orthotics, both custom and prefabricated, or in sheets. Behind the design, Neoprene. Neoprene is a highly cushioned dual layer material, combining a cushioning layer with a fabric top cover. The coloured nylon top layer is available in 3 colours, black, blue, and grey bamboo. It is available in both 1.5mm and 3mm thicknesses, and is available on all custom and prefabricated orthotic devices. Behind the design, Plastazote. Plastazote is a popular cover for diabetic, arthritic, or high-risk patients. It is a lightweight polyethylene foam, which conforms and moulds to shapes. It can be used as a top cover or a toe filler, and is available in beige. It is available on all of our custom or prefabricated orthotics. Behind the design, leather. Leather offers a premium, natural, low-allergy option for orthotic covering. It is thin and low bulk. It protects the device and underlying additions and pour-on layers. It is aesthetically pleasing and provides a professional finish. It is recommended for patients with allergies to synthetic materials and is available in both black and sand on all of our custom and prefabricated orthotics. Behind the design, Poron. Poron is a popular material for orthotic midlayers or cushioning layers, pads and forefoot extensions. Poron provides outstanding cushioning and is highly durable when protected. It can be added to the entire orthotic surface or just the front as a forefoot extension to minimise the space required in the shoe. It is a high-performance cushioning layer, but requires plantar and dorsal protection from wear. Its cushioning increases with thickness and is available in both Performance Medical, blue, or Slow Release, red. It is available on all of our custom and prefabricated orthotics or in sheets. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA Custom Manual at dolaorthotics.com.